Want to get paid back fast? Whether it's splitting dinner with friends or collecting payment for a service, today I'll show you exactly how to request and receive money with Cash App, Huff, step by step. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a quick tip to make sure you never miss a payment request. Cash App isn't just for sending money, it's a full financial platform. You can store a cash balance, get direct deposits, even invest in Bitcoin and stocks. But one of its most useful features is requesting money. Here's how you do it. First, open the Cash App on your phone. On the main screen, enter the amount you want to request. Say $100. Instead of tapping Pay, tap the request button in the bottom left corner. Next, choose who you're requesting from. You can select someone from your contacts or just type their cash tag. If you're not sure what their cash tag is, ask them. It's shown right under their profile name inside the app. You can also add a quick note like dinner last night or project payment so they know what it's for. Once you've selected the right person, tap the check mark so their name turns green, then tap request again to send it. That's it. They'll get a notification right away. Once they approve, the money will instantly show up in your Cash App balance, ready to spend with your cash card or transfer to your bank. If you're requesting money often, save your contacts with their cash tags. This speeds up the process and reduces mistakes. And that's how easy it is to request and receive money with Cash App. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick finance tips, and check the description for more Cash App guides.